or you can extend the length of the plunger by putting a piece of spot weld on there. Yeah, hello again. I've put together a short video for you on how to modify the neutral position switch, or the NPS, on your Nissan D40 Navara or Frontier or Pathfinder. This is a very common failure part, and what happens is your cruise control set won't hold, so you'll be cruising along and the set comes off, so you put it back on again and then it comes off, and it becomes very frustrating. So I'll show you how to make a modification to stop that happening. So a way to test if your neutral position switch is faulty is to be driving the car in either 4th gear or 6th gear. Turn your cruise control on and set your cruise control while you're holding the gear stick to the left. In either 4th or 6th, just hold it to the left and your cruise control should set. And then when you let go, the cruise control should come off, the set should come off. And that'll tell you that your neutral position switch is faulty. You need to get under the car to get to the connector, which is on the right hand side of the gearbox. There you can see the back of the neutral position switch up the top there, and there's your connector. That actually gets strapped around that cable there. You need to disconnect this and then you can pull the switch out through the top. So get yourself some of these trim tools, very, very cheap on eBay. Now your trim's off, got to remove this metal frame. There's 4 10mm bolts. And then your neutral position switch is just there, and it needs a 19mm open ender to get it off. So you can feel the indent. When you push that, it just clicks through some type of an indent, and I'd say that so it's a positive connection with the contacts. So it's either on or off. So here's a new switch that I bought before I realised I could repair the old one. So what I've deduced happens to these switches is the mechanism inside wears a little bit, which means that the piston here needs to be pushed in a little bit further to get it to engage. Or you can extend the length of the plunger by putting a piece of spot weld on there. So that's what I've done, because there's absolutely nothing wrong with this switch. So I just got the MIG out and I just put a spot weld on the end there and then ground it flat, so that this is approximately 1mm longer than what it was before, and now it's working perfectly.